The universe is essentially a game. But we use the word game in varying senses, and it may give the wrong impression. Very often people assume that when such a word is used, it indicates something trivial. And then when you consider what an appalling amount of suffering the universe contains, one wants to feel that it's worthwhile.
This lonely little separate being confronted by a world that doesn't give a damn about you, then it is pretty serious. You're an entrapment. Seriousness is a kind of gravity, and a gravity is a kind of weight. The most serious being in the world would be the devil, inflamed with hatred and malice, whereas the most non-serious being would be God. Young woman says to me, "I love you," ought I to come back to her and say, "Are you serious or are you just playing with me?" I don't think I should ask that, because I hope she isn't serious and that she will play with me. So I should ask instead, "Are you sincere?" That gives an entirely different meaning.